The third chapter of microeconomics is all about demand, supply, and how we use these to determine prices. In this video, we will briefly review some of these concepts. Demand is the quantity of a good or service that potential buyers are willing to buy at a specific price. What determines demand? The price of the good, prices of related products, the income of consumers, the tastes of consumers, the number of households. The law of demand then states that the higher the price of the good, the lower the quantity demanded, ceteris paribus. Remember, ceteris paribus is an expression that economists use to say all other things being equal. How do we then graphically illustrate demand? So first of all, the law of demand says that the higher the price of the good, the lower the quantity demanded. These are the symbols that we use for these effects. In economics, we have the price on the vertical axis and the quantity on the horizontal axis. For example, if the price is at P1, the quantity demanded by consumers will be at Q1. If the price then increases to P2, the quantity demanded decreases to Q2. If we connect these, we find a negative sloping demand curve. Let's move on to supply. The supply of a good or service is the quantity of that good or service that producers are willing to sell at a specific price. What determines supply? The price of the good, the prices of alternative products, prices of the factors of production that are used in production, the expected future prices of the goods and services, and the state of technology. The relationship between the price and the quantity supplied then is that the higher the price of the good, the higher the quantity supplied, ceteris paribus again. How do we graphically illustrate this relationship? So if the price is higher, the quantity supplied also increases. Again, we have prices on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. If we start at P1, the quantity supplied would be Q1. However, if the price increases to P2, the quantity supplied increases to Q2. If we connect these points, we get an upward sloping or a positive slope supply curve.